Hi guys, how you guys doing today? Got a long day today. I am currently doing a skills video here for Team Smith 18U Reuben today. And then after what we're gonna do, I'm gonna take you guys out. We're gonna head off to the coast and I'm gonna share some special drone footage for y'all. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. How you girls doing today?
Great. Yeah.
So ladies, what should they be doing today on this video?
Like and subscribe.
There you have it, guys. Make sure you guys like and subscribe on this video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you out there. Let's get this going. What's going on, guys? We are back. We are over here at Long Beach, and we got the crew out here. We are droning right now. We're gonna be getting some sick shots for you guys. Let's introduce you guys to the crew today. So who do I have right here?
Mel.
Mel. We got Mel right now. Derek. We got Derek up in the house. Who do we have right here?
Gerard.
We got Gerard, aka OG. Who do we have right here?
Richard.
We got Richard in the house. My favorite right here, who do we got?
Danny.
We got Danny. We got Danny right here. And then I got my daughter right here. Woo! So, OG, what do we got planned for today? Like, what are you going to be doing right now?
Well,
right?
today we're at Long Beach, and then we're gonna go to Sunken City in San Pedro.
Okay.
And then the lighthouse in Palos Verdes.
The lighthouse in Palos Verdes.
Yes.
Is it Verdes or Verdes?
Verdes.
Verdes.
Roll the Mars.
Hell yeah. Alright guys, well we are gonna wrap it up today. Hope everybody loved the videos. We got some great drone shots from the crew here, and yeah, actually met some new people today that enjoyed droning. So it was a relaxing day. Just had a fun running gun today, went up and down the coast. So hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace. It's a good night. Woo! Yeah.